Welcome to the group report of EDUC 101, the teaching profession, and we are the group 3. The member of our group are Jesser Astrero, Irene Balisa Lisa, and yours truly, Daisy Astrero. Good day, everyone. Today, I will discuss RA 4670, also known as the Magna Carta for Public School Teachers, a key law protecting teacher welfare. The objective of this report is to guide the audience. First, to understand RA 4670, this means we aim to have a clear grasp of what the law is all about, especially the Magna Carta for Public School Teachers, and why it was created. It helps us see how the government supports and protects teachers in their profession. Second, to identify key provisions. In this part, we will focus on the important sections of the law, such as teachers' rights, benefits, working conditions, and security of tenure. These provisions are essential because they define that teachers are entitled to and what must be upheld. Third, to apply the law in real-life cases. This objective allows us to connect theory to practice. We will examine how RA 4670 can be used in actual situations. For example, in issues related to workload, salary, or teacher protection, so we can better understand its real-world importance. And lastly, to appreciate teacher welfare. Beyond understanding the law, we aim to recognize the value of protecting teachers. When teachers are supported and treated fairly, they become more effective educators, which ultimately benefits students and strengthens the entire education system. Why this law matters? What happens if teachers are overworked and underpaid? This law addresses that. This statement emphasizes that when teachers are protected under RA 4670, they are able to perform their duties more effectively. Protection includes fair salary, reasonable workload, job security, and respect for their rights. When these are ensured, teachers experience less stress and become more motivated in teaching. As a result, they can focus on delivering quality education and guiding students properly. In the long run, this improves student performance and strengthens the entire education system. Therefore, protecting teachers is not only beneficial for them, but also for learners and society as a whole. Before this law was created, teachers faced heavy workload and low compensation. Let us now look at the background of Republic Act number 4670. First, enacted in 1966. RA 4670 was passed in the year 1966 as a response to the growing need to protect public teachers in the Philippines. During this time, teachers were already playing a vital role in nation building, but there were limited laws that specifically safeguarded the rights and welfare. This law marked an important step in recognizing the importance of the teaching profession. Second, address poor teacher conditions. Before the enactment of this law, many teachers experienced low salaries, heavy workloads, and lack of job security. There were also issues related to delayed benefits and insufficient support from the system. Republic Act 4670 was created to address these concerns by improving working conditions, ensuring fair compensation, and promoting a more supportive work environment for teachers. Third, strengthen professional rights. The law also focused on protecting the rights of teachers as a professionals. It provided legal safeguards such as security of tenure, protection against unjust transfer or dismissal, and the right to due process. By doing so, it elevated the dignity of the teaching profession and ensured that teachers are treated with respect and fairness. Through these key points, we can see that RA 4670 was not only a response to challenges, but also a foundation of improving the teaching profession. When the teachers are physically, emotionally, and mentally well, they are more effective in delivering lessons and managing their classrooms. A teacher who is supported through fair workload, proper compensation, and a positive work environment can focus better on teaching and guiding students. On the other hand, if teachers are stressed, overworked, or unsupported, it can affect their performance, which may also impact students' learning experience. This shows that teacher welfare is directly connected to student success. When teachers are cared for, they can provide quality education, inspire learners, and create a positive classroom environment. Therefore, by protecting and supporting teachers through laws like RA 4670, we are also ensuring better outcomes for students. So, teacher welfare equals quality education. That is the core principle of RA 4670. Let us now discuss some of the key provisions of Republic Act number 4670. First, teaching hours. Republic Act 4670 provides that public school teachers should not be required to render more than 6 hours of actual classroom teaching per day. This ensures that teachers still have enough time for lesson preparation, checking of outputs, and other academic responsibilities. It helps maintain the quality of teaching and prevents burnout. Second, compensation. The law ensures that teachers receive fair and just compensation for their work. This includes not only their regular salary, but also additional pay for extra duties, overtime, or special assignments. Proper compensation motivates teachers and recognizes that their important role in society. Third, leave benefits. Teachers are also entitled to various leave benefits such as sick leave and vacation leave. These benefits allow teachers to rest, recover, and attend to personal needs without compromising their job security. It supports their overall well-being. Lastly, security of tenure. RA 4670 protects teachers from unjust dismissal or removal from service. Teachers cannot be terminated without due process. This provision ensures stability in their profession and protects their right as employees. These provisions clearly shows that RA 4670 aims to protect teachers, support their welfare, and help them perform their duties effectively. Let us now clarify an important concept under RA 4670, the difference between teaching hours and working hours. First, teaching hours refer specifically to the time a teacher spends in actual classroom instruction. Under RA 4670, this is limited to a maximum of 6 hours per day. This ensures that teachers are not overloaded with continuous teaching, which can affect the quality of instruction. On the other hand, working hours include the total time a teacher is expected to be in service, which is typically 8 hours a day, just like other government employees. However, not all of these hours are spent teaching. The remaining hours are allotted for preparation and other professional tasks. This includes lesson planning, checking students' work, preparing instructional materials, attending meetings, and performing other school-related responsibilities. In simple terms, teaching hours focus on actual classroom instruction, while working hours include both teaching and all other duties of a teacher. This distinction is important because it protects teachers from excessive teaching loads while still allowing them to fulfill their full responsibilities effectively. Therefore, RA 4670 ensures balance. Teachers are given enough time to teach, but also enough time to prepare, which ultimately improves the quality of education. Let us now discuss compensation as one of the key provisions of RA 4670. First, fair salary. RA 4670 ensures that teachers receive a salary that is just and appropriate for their qualifications, experience, and the importance of their role in society. Teaching is a profession that shapes future generations. So it is also right that teachers are compensated fairly for their service. Second, additional compensation. Aside from their regular salary, teachers are also entitled to extra pay when they perform additional duties. For example, if they handle extra classes, work beyond regular hours, or taken special assignments, they should receive corresponding compensation. This recognizes their extra effort and prevents exploitation. Third, protection of income. The law also safeguards teachers from unjust deduction or delays in their salary. It ensures that their income is stable and protected, allowing them to meet their personal and family needs without uncertainty. In summary, RA 4670 not only ensures that teachers are paid fairly, but also protects their income and recognizes the value of their work. Let us now discuss the leave benefits provided under RA 4670. First, sick leave. Teachers are entitled to sick leave when they are unwell. This allows them to rest and recover without worrying about losing their job or salary. It ensures that teachers can take care of their health while maintaining their professional responsibilities. Second, vacation leave. Teachers are also given vacation leave, especially during school breaks. This gives them time to rest, recharge, and spend time with their families. Having sufficient rest is important so the teachers can return to work energized and ready to teach effectively. Third, health protection. RA 4670 also emphasizes the importance of protecting teachers' health. This includes providing safe working conditions and ensuring the teachers are not overworked. By promoting health and well-being, the law helps teachers sustain their performance in long term. Overall, these leave benefits show that RA 4670 values not only the work of teachers, but also their well-being. Let us now discuss security of tenure under RA 4670. First, due process required. This means that before any action is taken against teacher, such as suspension, transfer, or dismissal, there must be a proper and fair procedure. The teacher must be informed of the charges, given the opportunity to explain, and allowed to defend themselves. This ensures fairness and prevents abuse of authority. Second, protection from unjust dismissal. RA 4670 protects teachers from being removed from their position without valid and lawful reasons. They cannot be dismissed based on personal bias, discrimination, or unsupported accusations. This gives teachers a sense of job security and stability in their profession. In simple terms, security of tenure ensures that teachers are treated fairly and cannot be removed without just cause and proper process. This provision is important because it allows teachers to perform their duties with confidence, without fear of unfair treatment. Thus, RA 4670 not only protects teachers' rights, but also upholds justice and professionalism in the education system. Let us now apply RA 4670 in a real-life situation. In this case, a teacher is assigned 8 hours of actual teaching in one day. Under RA 4670, this is violation of the law. Why? Because the law clearly states that teacher should not be required to render more than 6 hours of actual classroom teaching per day. The remaining time within the standard working hours should be used for lesson preparation, checking outputs, and other academic responsibilities. If a teacher is forced to teach beyond 6 hours, it can lead to fatigue, reduced teaching quality, and possible burnout. More importantly, it disregards the protection provided by RA 4670. Therefore, assigning 8 hours of actual teaching violates the law and compromises both teacher welfare and the quality of education. In such a situation, the teacher has the right to raise the concern through proper channel, as the law exists to protect their workload and well-being. Let us now consider another real-life situation. In this case, a teacher is dismissed without any investigation. This is a clear violation of due process under RA 4670. The law requires that before a teacher can be dismissed, there must be a proper procedure. This includes informing the teacher of the charges, conducting an investigation, and giving the teacher the opportunity to explain and defend themselves. If a teacher is removed without these steps, it becomes unfair and unlawful. It also violates their right to secure of tenure. In simple terms, no teacher should lose their job without being heard. This provision protects teachers from abuse of authority and ensures fairness in the educational system. Therefore, dismissing a teacher without investigation is a violation of due process and goes against the protections against by RA 4670. In such cases, the teacher has the right to seek legal remedy or file a complaint, as the law is designed to uphold justice and protect their rights. RA 4670 ensures fairness, dignity, and protection for teachers. First, it promotes fairness by providing clear guidelines on teaching hours, compensation, leave benefits, and due process. This ensures that teachers are treated justly in their profession. Second, it upholds the dignity of teachers by recognizing their vital role in shaping society. It affirms that teaching is a respected profession that deserves proper support and recognition. Lastly, it guarantees protection by safeguarding teachers from unfair treatment, excessive workload, and unjust dismissal. Through this law, teachers are given security and confidence in their work. Therefore, RA 4670 is not just a law, it is a commitment to value the protect the people who educate future generations. When we protect our teachers, we protect the future of our nation. Why is it important? First, protects rights. RA 4670 ensures that teachers' rights are safeguarded, such as fair workload, just compensation, due process, and security of tenure. By protecting these rights, the law prevents abuse and promotes fairness in the workplace. Second, improves performance. When teachers feel secure, respected, and supported, they become more motivated and committed to their work. This leads to better teaching strategies, improved classroom management, and more effective delivery of lessons. Third, enhances education quality. As teacher performance improves, the quality of education also increases. Students benefit from more engaging lessons, better guidance, and a more positive learning environment. So in summary, when teachers are protected and supported, they perform better. And when teachers perform better, the quality of education is significantly enhanced. In conclusion, Republic Act 4670 empowers teachers and strengthens education. This law empowers teachers by protecting their rights, ensuring fair treatment, and providing the support they need to perform their duties effectively. When teachers are given proper working conditions, just compensation, and security in their profession, they are able to teach with confidence, passion, and dedication. At the same time, RA 4670 strengthens education because empowered teachers create better learning environments. They inspire students, improve academic outcomes, and contribute to the development of responsible and capable citizens. In essence, the strength of our education system depends on the strength of our teachers. Thank you, and God bless to each and every one of us.